A dream is not just a picture in your mind. It's the blueprint of your destiny. And ambition? That's the fire that turns that picture into reality. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button for daily doses of motivations and inspiring quotes. 1. Dreams are the seeds. Ambition is the water. 2. A dream without action is just a wish. Action without direction is just movement. But dreams with ambition? That's unstoppable. 3. The size of your dream tells the world the size of your courage. 4. Don't chase comfort. Chase growth. Comfort never built empires. 5. Ambition is waking up early, staying up late, and refusing to quit in between. 6. Your dream should scare you a little and excite you a lot. 7. If your dreams fit in your pocket, they're too small. 8. Obstacles are not walls, they are stepping stones for the ambitious. 9. A dream is personal. It doesn't need approval, applause, or permission. 10. The world belongs to those who dare to imagine it differently. 11th. Ambition is the voice in your head saying, "You can rest later. Now is the time to build." 12. Dream big, start small, move fast. 13. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. 14. If they can't see your vision, it's because it wasn't given to them. Keep building anyway. 15. The path to your dream will test you. That's how it proves you deserve it. 16. Ambition is not greed. It's hunger for purpose. 17. When you feel tired, remember why you started. 18. The dream is the destination. The ambition is the vehicle. 19. Success is rented, and ambition is the rent you pay daily. 20. Your dream is a promise to yourself. Don't break it. 21. Ambition turns one day into day one. 22. You weren't born to live small. You were born to create, to lead, to inspire. 23rd. Don't fear failure. Fear being in the exact same place next year. 24. Dreams are free, but the journey costs discipline. 25. If you can imagine it and you're willing to work for it, the universe has no choice but to give it to you. Dream without limits. Work without excuses. And when you get there, dream even bigger, because the world needs what only you can create. Thanks for watching. See you on the next.